Hello guys, you use smartphone Samsung Galaxy A41. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Okay, device in the white color, made of plastic. In complementation we have adapter for charging with quick charge, headphones and USB Type-C cable. This instructions quick guide. Okay. On the front side 6.1 inch, front camera inch display, back side triple camera and LED, upside without controls, on this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, right side power key and volume case, downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay. Display Amoled, resolution Full HD+, open settings, about phone, One UI 2.1, Android 10, Knox 3.5, Geekbench 5, open, test, CPU MediaTek MT6768, this octa-core processor 6 plus 4 cores, CPU speed 1.7 and 2 GHz, GPU Amoled G52, resolution and display PPA. Look results. Results test, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay. Antutu benchmark look. $160. We have almost 100 plays. Realme 5, Realme Note 5 Pro. Okay, close this. Run the modded game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device on the maximum graphic level, max graphics. Start game. Game load. Works perfect, without lags and glitches. Okay. Close game. Talk about camera. Main camera, triple camera, 48 plus 8 plus 5 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.